Good morning dear students, welcome to the maths online class. Students, in previous class we discussed about and solved some problems on the subtraction of two digit numbers with a regrouping, and today's topic is subtracting of the three digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, in your syllabus three digit numbers are there, so open your textbook page number 36. Okay, without regrouping means what? You already know about that one. In subtraction, without regrouping means without borrowing. So here some examples are there. See the first one. We have to subtract the number with the representation of the what placements by the pictures of the dots. So see the first one, eighth one. 586 minus 462 is there. Here 586 is the minuend and 462 is the what? Subtrahend. With respect to the, in the addition process we represent the what? Dots in the both addends. As the first addend also we represent, and second one addend also we represent, and count the total and write the what? Sum for that. But in case of the what? Subtraction, we have to represent with respect to their minuend only, and with respect to their subtrahend we have to cancel the dots and write the what? Difference for that. How it is possible? See that one. 586 is the minuend. According to the minuend only we have to draw the dots. In the 586, 6 is in the what? Ones position. So draw here 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, then 10th position. The 10th position number is the what? 8 is there. So draw with respect to the placement 8 dots in the 10th position according to the minuend. The next one, in the last one is the 100 position. The 100 position number is what? 5. So write with respect to their placement 5 in the 100 placement. Okay. So it is the process. In this we have to represent the dots with respect to their minuend only, and with respect to their subtrahend we have to cancel the dots with the what? Placements. In the ones position 2 is there, so we have to add or cancel. Very good, cancel, because it is the what? Subtraction process is there. In the addition process only we have to add the dots. In the subtraction process we have to cancel the dots as per the subtrahend. So here 2 is there, cancel 2. And in the tens position 6 dots are there, so cancel 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the 100 position, what's the number here? Very good, 4. So cancel here 4. And next term is we have to write the remaining dots in respect to their what? Placements. See, in the 100 position only 1 is there, so write here 1. Then in the tens position 2 dots are there, write 2. And in the ones position 3 dots are there, 4 dots are there, so write here 4. Okay, so the answer is 124 with respect to their placements. Then write directly. See here, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So we get the what? Same answer of the same difference from the both methods. Okay. So the next one, B1, 832 minus 402 is there, and here the 832 is the minuend and 402 is the what? Subtrahend. With respect to the minuend we have to represent the dots now. So ones position 2 is there, so represent here 2 dots only. And tens position 3 dots are there, so write here 3. Next, the 100 position 8 is there, so dots are represent 8 in the 100 position. Next step is, according to the minuend we have to represent the dots. According to the subtrahend we have to cancel the dots. It is the second step. So in the ones position 2 is there, cancel both 2 dots. And in the tens position 0 is there, and how many we have to cancel? 0 means no. No dots we have to cancel here, nothing to cancel here. Then in the 100 position 4 is there, so out of 8 we have to cancel 4. 3, 4. So the next step is, the third step is we have to write the remaining dots in respect to their positions. So here in the 100 position 1, 2, 3, 4 dots are there. Right, 4. In the tens position 3, and in the ones position how many dots are there? Nothing remaining. So write here 0. See, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. In the both methods we get the what? Same difference, 430. It is the representation of the dots with the positions. Okay. Then next one, second one, find the difference is there. So we have to find the difference here directly. Don't represent with respect to their position. See, they already given the minuend and the subtrahend in the what? Positions or the placements. So first we have to start with the ones position. 7 minus 2. Don't add here. We have to cancel or the subtract the numbers. Cancel 2 in the 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to, very good, 5. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And the answer is 145. Beat 1, 693 is the minuend. 152 is the what? Subtrahend is there. Here we have to subtract from the ones position. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And the difference is 541. Then see it one. 866 is the minuend and 312 is the what? Subtrahend is there, and cancel with respect to their position. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer of the difference is 554. This is your homework classwork book. Write with respect to their positions. Okay. First write 8th one. After that leave one line and write the next bth one. Okay. So, and today's homework is solve page number 36. Do first one in your homework book. Okay. In page number 36, already solve these two in your classwork book. Okay. 8th one and bth one. Solve C and D in your homework book. Okay. This is your homework. Thank you.